Hello guys, welcome again, new live stream. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping. Remember what I said yesterday, actually, no, 2 days ago. The time to enter to the market actually was here, around here. Why? Because volatility was contracting very hard, as you can see here in 1-day chart. We have blue volatility here, and also in both indicators, as you can see here, and also here in 4-hour chart, volatility was very low. It was not the perfect entry, honestly. I have to be very honest with you, because this is very hard to trade when I don't feel comfortable trading when I don't have in the right setup, right? But in this case, I open a long position around $43,000, 300, something like that. Yeah, looking for a potential expansion after I saw how Bitcoin in OBB was actually doing very well, and also 12-hour chart, as you can see here. After I saw the color changing here, I decided to open a long position. Of course, I protected just my entry. My stop loss, or I set a stop loss, and after that, I decided to wait. Now, the target for this move, if we see this move to the upside, remember what I said before. I said before Bitcoin was wasting time here, right? We have to see Bitcoin pumping right now. Right now. That was 2 days ago. If we don't see Bitcoin above $43,400, yeah, we will have a sell signal. But in this case, as you can see here, Bitcoin actually did it yesterday, started pumping, and that was good actually, right? So now new highs to the moon. It's bullish. I cannot lie to you. Volume is healthy here. Volatility is expanding here, and also we have a 2-day chart buy signal here, as you can see here, and also 3-day chart we have also as well 3-day buy signal as well. So if you are in long position right now here like me, the only thing I'm gonna do is just protect my entry. I was thinking actually to close my position today around $46,000, but I said, you know what, I will just protect my entry and wait. Why? Because if we use volume profile here, yes, I'm gonna just answer the questions here, because first of all, remember, this timing is very important. Here, let me explain why. First, I said here it was to the downside here. Why? Because Bitcoin was wasting time, right? Wasting time. But volatility was contracting here, and I said, well, technically speaking, it's still to the upside, yes, but if Bitcoin closed below $43,400, at least this weekend, more days, like 2-3 days more, it's gonna be to the downside, right? So that is the thing I said. So there is no signal. I was looking for a slope, negative slope, something like this, but that didn't happen. Okay, so that's why that was my expectation. I was waiting for this setup here, something like this. That's why I said 2 days ago, if Bitcoin is not pumping yesterday, the next 2 days ago, this week, yes, we will see. We could see a downside, but in this case, actually, we got a pump, right? So, as I said before, it was not the best setup right now here, but well, you wanna say I was wrong? Yes, I was wrong. Actually, I was looking for downside only if Bitcoin actually. I was looking for this confirmation here, the slope here, but that didn't happen. That's why timing is very important. Honestly, here I don't feel very comfortable opening long positions in 1-day chart. Of course not. I did it in 4-hour chart. Open a long position here, but in 1-day chart, the buy signal was here. Okay, the buy signal was here. Okay, in my case, I open a long position here, and I close my position here in the first trade. And the second trade, I was just trading the range here. I opened like 2 trades in 4-hour chart, and this one because I was looking for expansion in volatility after I saw Bitcoin. Testing again $43,400, but the volume was actually quite healthy in 4-hour chart. So that's why it was a little bit difficult. Honestly, I don't feel comfortable buying like that. Yeah, but I didn't want to miss the opportunity to buy because I know the volatility was contracting. So what I said a few days ago, we will see a move. Right, every time when we have a volatility like this, very low, is when actually we have to enter, at least in my case, right? I want to enter every time when I have the volatility like this, very low, as you can see here, is when is the moment to enter. That's why I was looking for entries. What I did yesterday, why I opened a long position there, is because I went to 1 hour chart, yeah, 1 hour chart, and after here in this buy signal here, I opened my long position here around, yeah, $43,000, 200, 300, and when I saw Bitcoin testing the resistance, just I protected my entry, and that's it. It's the only thing I did. But in 1-day chart, there is no entry. I mean, if you follow my seasonal trading, there is no entry in 1-day chart. I mean, if you are just trading 1-day chart, this move is a trade like we don't take in 1-day chart because the buy signal was here. Okay, the buy signal was here, not here. This is continuation, yes. But now the question is, now someone asked me, hey, should I sell right now Bitcoin or not? Well, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor, remember. Second thing here is like my target, if we see Bitcoin like this, my target was around $46,000, around there, because we use volume profile here in this range. One moment. Let me see here. Yeah, we have here volume profile is this one, as you can see here, and the second volume profile and the second area of resistance is this area. Okay, as you can see here right now, Bitcoin is trading above this resistance. So now we have to wait for the close. Now, honestly, I need to be honest with you. Looks like if potentially we could see maybe 48, 49 again tested. The reason is because if you see 2-day chart right now here, we have the buy signal here, and 3-day chart, we have the buy signal as well here. But if we have a new high here, for example, if we see a new high here, maybe 50K, we will have a better divergence also forming in 3-day chart and higher time frames. So that's why if you are in profit right now here, I'm telling you right now, what I'm doing is just protecting my entry right now here at $43,400, around 300, around there. And if I see 4-hour chart forming in this area between 46 and 47, I will just close my position. Okay, I will close my position. Why? Because this is not the trade I actually feel very comfortable holding in this area, because, well, the buy signal was here in this area around $40,000, 41, following just 1-day chart, right? So now the difference right now is like I see Bitcoin is pumping right now here, but it's not like pumping very strong like before. Sometimes it's like just pumping very hard, right? Like just in 1 day, you're just pumping 10, 20%, 15%, something like that. Now let's talk about higher time frames. What I want to see what is happening in higher time frames. Okay, 5-day chart we have. Okay. Yeah, now actually this is the resistance. In higher time frames, this is the resistance. Any close above $47,000 in 1-day chart, for example, if we see $47,000 Bitcoin closing about there, especially this weekend, yeah, you will see new highs, and actually the next target should be, let me see. Okay, it's crazy. I'm gonna say something crazy, but if we see, actually, technically speaking, if we see a close above $49,000 this weekend, the next target is 60,000. Yeah, 60,000. There is no resistance here. There is no resistance, actually. The resistance was 40, 47, 48, around there. If we see a close this weekend, right, or here, if we see a close this weekend above 49, yeah, I can tell you right now, we will see 60K. 60K is actually, that is a target actually I will start looking for. But in my case, I am not a, how can I say this? Like, I know we have to the chart, but I, following my seasonal trading, this is something, I mean, for me, right, this is something I don't like. I mean, to buy right now, okay, I'm gonna buy a $47,000 and sell at 50. No. Because it's 5-day chart, you're looking for maybe 3 months holding, right? Three months, 4 months, and weekly chart is the same, right? So it's looking good. And actually, look at this. OBB is making a new high here. Is making a new high. We have to wait for the close. But technically speaking, as long as Bitcoin this weekend close about $44,500, well, actually, it's looking promising. Actually, the next target, yes, 50K. 50K, any close this weekend above there, you will see 60 actually, 60. And actually, it's going to be fast. It's gonna be very fast. For me, this area, I know many people they are looking for this area as resistance. Honestly, I don't think so. The 50k actually is the resistance, and let me show you why. If we see by monthly here, where is the confluence here in candles? As you can see here, is the candles here is this area. As you can see, all this area, right? We have a lot of confluence here. So this area should be the resistance in macro time frames around 47, 49, around there. And after that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just only 5 candles here. You can say, okay, resistance, maybe yes, but around $60,000. But if we see 60K, Bitcoin actually, you will see a new ATA. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think Bitcoin, yeah, actually, yes, there is a very high chance, but we have to see the close first, okay? Now, we have another signal here, very interesting here in bi-monthly. In bi-monthly, we have in March, I mean, you see this month actually is very, very important because if we see the close above $49,000, 50K plus, well, if we see that, we will have a buy signal in bi-monthly. So I'm telling you right now, if we see the buy signal in bi-monthly here, 2024, 2025, maybe 6 months, 2025, we will have a bull market. Yeah, that's it. We will have a bull market. Of course, if you see a macro pullback, I mean, weekly correction, 40-50% is going to be a buy. That's it. Yeah. For me, 2024, 2025 is going to be hard for shorts actually. Shorts actually is not the best strategy right now. Shorting the market right now, I don't think so. And I said it a long time ago. I'm still thinking like in long term, it's better just to wait for the pullback. For example, if you miss this move, oh my God, I'm missing this move. Oh my God, right? Just wait for the pullback and follow the trend. Because technically speaking, Bitcoin is still in uptrend. As you can see here, it's still in uptrend. Okay. Now, what I said about a weekly chart, my target should be around 30K. I'm still thinking Bitcoin could test easily 30K, but my question is going to be first 50K? Maybe, potentially, yes. And why? Because in bi-weekly chart, I mean the long term, we have this candle. This candle is a shorting star here. Shorting star here. Bitcoin can test very easy the top here, exactly the same thing as 2019. Bitcoin did something like that. It was in sideways for 6 months, and after that, we saw this like sideways here, like 3-6 months, something like that, and after that a pullback, right? A pullback, and after that the bull market, right, to the moon, right? So let me show you here the example of what I'm talking about in 2019, because in 2019, let me change the scale. Okay, good. Here, let me show you here. Bitcoin testing 14K here, drop here, and after that, another bounce here, around almost the previous high, as you can see here. So I am looking for something like this. I mean, at least the 3-4 months. I mean, the Q1 of 2024, something like this. I am looking right now. Something like this. Why? Because, well, we have the sell signal here, and the only thing I have to do is just respect my seasonal trading. I could be wrong. Yes, I could be wrong. I mean, I am like you, right? I take losses as well, right? I get stopped many times, yes. But the point is, like, I have to follow rules. So right now, for me, in weekly chart, it's still like this, right? It's just sideways here, where the top of the top of this range is 49, 48, something like that, and the lowest point is around $10,000 range, right? So pay attention here. If weekly chart, right, this weekend, right, we see Bitcoin closing about 49, even better, 50K. Yes, we will have an extension, and you will see 60K in the next 2 months. And I can tell you right now, I will be very wrong, because maybe we will see potentially first more highs, and after that correction. So but the only thing I can do is just follow my seasonal trading. That's it. I agree with you, local guide. Actually, yes, I agree with you. That's why I'm expecting sideways, where right now we have Bitcoin pumping right now. People, they are thinking, oh, to the moon right now, let's buy right now Bitcoin at 50K because it's gonna reach 1 million, right? next year. Yeah, the bull market, the halving, whatever, right? I saw it many times, right? Same thing happened here in 2021 when Bitcoin it was at $66,000, and after a new high here to the moon, 150K, and after that crash so hard. Of course, I am not expecting the same thing here because this was actually very interesting here. No. If we see the pullback, if we see this crash, in the next 2-3 months is just gonna be a pullback. That's it. It's the only thing. Yeah, I mean, I am not financial advisor, but if we see a pullback for Bitcoin, it's gonna be just a buy. That's it. Okay, that's it. I am bullish. Yes, in the long term. Should I buy right now? No, thank you. In my case, I bought here and I sold here. Yeah, and I was just trading here. I didn't buy altcoins, nothing. Well, I have just 2 altcoins, but I didn't buy here again Bitcoin. I didn't buy here. I mean holding, right? The only reason why I didn't buy Bitcoin here is because I don't like this setup here. I don't like the monthly here. Yeah, buying Bitcoin when Bitcoin was here, right? So in monthly, but you are missing, right? Like, oh my God, like $10,000 move, right? In monthly is nothing. It's nothing, because in the monthly chart, if we have a buy signal, you have crazy moves, right? You have like 400 in 2018 was 400, as you can see here, around 300, and the next buy signal here around right now is 150. I mean, since 2023, 2022 actually, December. Honestly, monthly for me, I don't like it. I don't like it because I want to see something like this, right? I want to see 300%. I want to see 500%, not just 100, right? So that's why. If I buy Bitcoin right now, no. Why? Because I know in some point this year, we will see something like this, right? Something like this. So I will wait. I don't care if I have to wait some months. I will just wait for the pullback, right? And after that, I'm going to buy. Right? Always when I said to you, never buy a green candle like this, right? Oh, but Bitcoin is gonna, wow, 1 million. Well, you do that. Yeah, you can do it. Totally fine. But not me. In my case, I buy in long-term Bitcoin after of a major correction, something like this, right? If I see Bitcoin crashing like this, yes, of course, I will be happy to buy. Here the same, but not when Bitcoin is doing this. Of course, in futures, I am trading, yes. I am taking longs, shorts, yes. But holding, no. Okay, so let's continue here. What I see right now here in the markets, volume is healthy, as you can see in one day chart. It's still healthy here. As I said before, if we use the replay mode, Bitcoin actually was trying, the slope was turning negative, positive here a few times. Let me show you here. Oh, wow. I think it's, yeah. Okay. Let me show you here. Something like this, right? So if we have one day chart, the slope was like, was trying, for example, here, following the rules of my system. Here, technically speaking, here, the time is over, okay? It's a warning. It's not a sell signal. It's just a warning, okay? And we cannot see it here, but sometimes here in one day chart, the slope was trying to get negative here. So I said before, okay, well, in my case, that's why I decided to close my position from here to here. Yeah, because I didn't like this. I didn't like this. Well, let's see. Let's continue. So right now, what I'm expecting right now, Bitcoin is healthy, volume is healthy, ADX positive here, volatility is expanding here, and also OBV actually is doing very well. So there is a very high chance you will see 49 tested again. Yeah, it's a very high chance. The close, I don't know. We will have to wait for the close, okay? But based on a 2-day chart and 3-day chart, there is a chance potentially Bitcoin could, actually, yes, it could be possible. Like Bitcoin could close above $49,000 this week. The reason is because volume is still healthy here, volatility is expanding here. We have buy signal here in 3-day chart and also 2-day chart, and also a 1-day chart. I mean, the momentum is still good, but this is something I don't like. Yeah, I don't like it's like, I prefer to buy Bitcoin or any asset when it's here. okay, not here. Okay, guys, so let's continue. I'm gonna continue with the short term in 4-hour chart, okay? 4-hour chart, because maybe you want to enter in short. No, there is no short right now. No shorts. I know it's tempting because it's testing previous resistance right here. It's testing resistance right now here. Technically speaking, yeah, it makes sense to open shorts, but if we follow the system of trading here, volume is actually very healthy, breaking the previous high here in January, you see. So there is no better divergence here. Everything is healthy. ADX is positive here. Volatility is expanding here. So if you see a pullback in 1-hour chart, actually it's gonna be a buy. I mean, like a long position, right? I'm not saying all in, right? Be careful. But yeah, in 12-hour chart, let me show you here. We have a potential bearish divergence forming here, but wait for the confirmation, because this could be easily invalidated. So what I want to see this weekend is, if I want to open a short right now, I mean, not now, but if I will open a short, is because two things. I want to see Bitcoin without making new highs, just wasting time here in this area, something like this, right? Sideways here. I will go to 12-hour chart, and I want to see better divergence confirmation here. Is the only way I will open a short position here. Yeah, but I don't have that signal right now, and also volume is very healthy here, so no. I said before, I think this year is gonna be bad shorting. I feel more comfortable just waiting for the pullback here and just follow the trend, and the trend is your friend, and just continue with the trend. Okay, so let's continue. I have a list of coins and stocks, right? I want to see, and also a request. So let's continue with altcoins, just a couple altcoins, and after that we can continue with the stock market. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna check Ethereum. Ethereum finally, I think, is moving. Yeah, Ethereum. Yeah, as you can see here, technically speaking, here we have weekly 12-hour chart. There is no better divergence, as you can see here. 1-day chart, the buy signal was around 1 week ago. Yeah, last day of January. Here, continuation where the target should be around this area. Yes, 2,580, 600, something like that. And after that potential pullback, maybe yes. The thing is, like, I know it's looking bullish, I know it's looking beautiful, right? But the problem I have is this, right? The only thing I am doing is just following rules, right? And I know here this is a sell signal sideways. Okay, I know it's looking green, it's looking like it's gonna break and to the moon, right? Yeah, but in this case I wanna see confirmation. I wanna see the close. Let me see, for Ethereum, I will be more comfortable buying if thinking like we could see maybe $3,000 if we see a close above 2,700 this weekend. It's possible, yes, but as I said before, the only thing I'm doing right now is following my system of trading, and that's it. For example, here we have the sell signal here, and also we have sell signal here. And sometimes, even with the sell signal present, you have a nice rally, right? Something like this, a very nice rally, and after that rejection, we have a sell signal here. For example, here, we have a bounce here, and after that continuation. Yeah, sometimes it's not perfect. There is no like perfect system, right? That's why risk management is very, very important. The other thing I'm telling you, I can tell you right now, is volume is healthy. So it's not smart shorting right now the market. We just wait for the pullback, and that's it. Okay, wait for the pullback. Now, let's continue with the second coin. The second one is Link, because you have no idea how many people are asking me right now about Link. And yeah, it looks like, I don't know, something happened with Link. I don't follow news, right? But looks like now is, wow, is awesome, right? What is happening with Link? What is Link? Link, yeah, Link. It's the same thing. I said 2 days ago this, right? I don't care if it's making a new high. The only thing I can do is just following my system of trading, right? This is telling me sideways or downside. Yeah, but now it's higher. Yes, but we have to wait for the close confirmation, right? We have to wait for confirmation. You wanna see link closing above $17 this weekend, and yes, potentially maybe after that we can start thinking about maybe $30. Yeah, 100% $10 move. Yes, potentially yes. And why? Because volume is very good. And now we don't have confirmation, right? But OBB is telling me right now is breaking the previous high here, so it's telling me actually, yeah, there is momentum, there is volume here, there is a good chance. Yes, if we see something like that, well, what could happen is like this: a better averages in weekly chart. Okay, that is the second scenario. But in this case, in my case, right, I will never buy Link in that price. Yeah, no. Why? In following seasonal trading, the last time to buy Link in weekly chart was in July last year, right? Around $6. Yeah, $6 around there. Okay, so let's continue with the last altcoin is Cardano. Someone is asking me about Cardano right now. Looks like, wow, this is very interesting here. It's not looking that bad actually. It's about MA55 here. This weekend you see about 0.60, the close 0.60 above there. Actually, we will have a rally. We will have a rally, and the next target is gonna be $1. $1 for Cardano in weekly chart, right? We have to wait a little bit more. 5-day chart is looking good actually. Yeah, I mean, it's holding the MA55 and MA100 as long as above there. More consolidation is looking like a consolidation here sideways, right? Sideways consolidation potentially, yes, maybe a rally to $1. That could be my target. That's my target if we see more sideways here. In 1-day chart, the momentum is not good, right? So this for now is just sideways, right? Sideways where I am looking for a test to 0.60. Yes, you see. That's why I said in long term, right? 0.60 is the key. Any close about 0.60 in weekly chart, I mean higher time frames, no 1-day chart, is where we can expect maybe $1, right? But for now, it's like this, right? It's just ping pong, right? Ping pong like this, and no shorts. No shorts. If you are holding Cardano, well, I am not financial advisor, but hold, right? Hold. Okay, so let's continue with the stock market. Now, the SP500 is making new highs. The bull market is here. Technically speaking, wow, to the moon, right? Now the market is bullish. 5,000. Beautiful here, as you can see here. Nice. We have 1, 2, 3 stacks of better divergence. But even with this, don't open shorts. Please don't do it, okay? The reason is very simple. There is no resistance. There is no resistance. Where is the resistance? Please. Here, where is the resistance? There is no resistance. The sky is the limit. This thing, the only thing we have to do is just wait for the pullback and the trend is your friend. That's it. The resistance for the stock market was here, around 4,700. That's it. Yeah, this number around 4,750 was not resistance. It's not resistance. So not short. Don't short. Don't do it. Yeah, wait for the pullback, right? If you see a pullback, something like that, right? Yes, continue with the trend. So now buying here, no, at least not me. But it's bullish. Yes, it's looking green. Buy if you want, but not me. I will buy only after I see a pullback. Let's talk about the weekly chart here. Weekly chart. We don't have better divergence, as you can see here, and the momentum is still to the upside. No, thank you. This is something I will never buy. But with the good news, in some point this year, we will have a pullback, right? A pullback, and just follow the trend. Follow the trend in the long term. Okay, that's it. As I said before, let me repeat this. 2024, Q1 and Q2 of 2025, no shorts. No shorts. Same thing we did for Bitcoin. Like we were shorting Bitcoin for almost 2 years here. Sorry. I was shorting Bitcoin since 2021. All of this way, yes. Right now, with this move right now here and potentially continuation, if you see a pullback, in my case, even if I see a pullback, I will not short. Yeah, but you are gonna miss the short. I don't care. Why? Because this could be the way number 1 and the way number 2, and I wanna trade the way number 3. If you are familiar with LY theory, that is this something like this, right? Yeah, for example here. wave number 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. So this is the wave I want to trade. Yeah, this is the wave. The wave number 1 is very nice. Yes, 200, 300%, totally fine. In my case, I'm thinking this is actually the wave number 1. The wave number 1, when we will have this wave number 1, wave number 2, and after that wave number 3 here. Here is when I want to enter. I could be wrong, yes, because remember, this is a wave theory, right? It's like I have my crystal ball, right? But that is actually something I'm looking right now. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna continue with some Tesla in weekly chart and monthly. I did it in the last live stream, but some of the members, one member is asking me actually. He asked me a couple times, so let me do it right now. Tesla. Okay, weekly chart here. What I said here, first of all, here this is sideways here, and potentially, right? Potentially there is a bullish average forming here. Technically speaking, it's in the middle. It's in the middle, right? As you can see here. Yeah, this is in the middle. So for me, I don't feel very comfortable buying there. So what I will do here is like, first of all, I want to see sideways here, some consolidation here, some consolidation after a couple of weeks. And after that, if we have the slope positive here, yes, we can expect, okay, we have finally a bullish divergence, yes, another buy opportunity. And with the bullish divergence, yes, we could see a break to 240. 240 is going to be the resistance. Actually it's a strong resistance. In 1-day chart, let me see here. In 1-day chart, we have okay, this is a bounce. Yeah, this is a bounce. Actually, right now, no financial advisor, but this is the signal right now. There. This is the signal here. This is the entry. This is the entry right now. Okay, target 230, 2830 around there. Okay. Here, right now. Let's see. I will just keep it like that, and let's see in a few days what is going to happen. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so is this one? Okay, this one is a request. No, thank you. It's not good in 1-day chart. I am not saying short in 1-day chart, of course, right? In my case, I will start looking for maybe a 7.75 and potentially thereabouts, right? Because this is sideways. It's looking like consolidation. Let me see weekly chart. Weekly chart. No, I'm wrong. This is a beautiful downtrend. We have a sell signal here. It's very hard, actually. I don't like this chart. What is this? Well, I don't know. The thing is like this, looking like a meme coin. So there is sell signal here. There is no buy signal in the long term. If you want to buy here, at least in weekly chart, there is no entry right now. You will have to wait maybe 1 month or 2. In 1-day chart, let me explain this better. If you see a bounce here, it's gonna be just a sell. Why? Because signal in weekly chart, this is telling me it's gonna be to the downside, where the long-term target should be around 5.50 cents in the long term, right? Let me see the monthly, because I'm curious about this thing. We have a bullish divergence here, but we don't have a confirmation, and this bullish divergence could take all the year. In monthly, yes, 5.70 cents. That is the area I will start looking for to buy here in this area. If in the long term I see this thing testing this area, okay, not there, not $8. At least not for me. I will wait just for this area, yellow area, to maybe start looking for a potential buy. Okay, let's see. Let's continue. It's the first time I'm gonna see this chart. Bad, very bad actually. Is reversal in the monthly. Let me see weekly chart here. Very bad, very bad. As you can see here, very bad. We have a bullish divergence here, yes, where technically speaking is testing the support right now. Here is support. All this area support, as you can see here. well, we can expect a bounce. And we have a bullish variance, yes. We have a bullish, but we don't have volume. As you can see, there is no volume. So if you want to open a long position or buy something, I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is the area. This is the area to buy, right? But it could be possible, maybe we could have a break because there is no volume supporting this. So what I will do is I will just go for 1-day chart, and you see we have a bullish variance as well. No, there is no bullish variance. We have a buy signal here and just looking for a bounce, right? But this is very bad. It's testing ME55, and every time when it says ME55, it's just dropping and dropping. But after of this sell-off, because the sell-off actually is around 50%, testing major support here, yeah, makes sense for me. Some consolidation, right? Consolidation here like this. You have to, and after that a bounce, right? A bounce. Yeah. Let me see the monthly. I'm curious about this. Yeah, if we see the bounce, the ME55 is going to be the target. I'm talking about all the year, around 40, 38, something like that. Let me see here. Yeah, I cannot be bearish right now. After 50% crash, I cannot be bearish right now. It's testing major time frames. Sorry, areas of support. Let me see higher time frames. Yeah. This is the area. If you see a close, for example, this month below there, $25, you will see a nasty move all the way down to 15. But first of all, I think we will have a bounce actually. Okay, so let's continue. I think that's it with okay. Okay, let's continue with the next. What is this? I think it's this one, right? Okay, let me see. Let's check this one. Monthly is still fine. Oh no, sorry, this is not monthly. This is monthly here. It's still fine. It's sideways, as you can see here. This is in monthly is sideways. This is a range, right? This is a range, and we will have a buy signals maybe in the next 3-4 months here. As long as it's holding $30, I think everything should be fine. As long as above there, above there. In weekly chart, you notice at the top right, it's just a bounce to keep falling, right? But if I know monthly is gonna fire maybe in the next 2-3 months a buy signal, if I see this asset testing this area of support again, right? Instead of shorting, I will start looking for maybe buying something right here in the long term. I'm talking about like the next 6 months, right? Sometimes the volatility of the stock market is not very crazy like Bitcoin. That's why you have to be more patient. This is a clear buy signal here. Testing key support. Of course, it's a little bit late. So in weekly chart, you have to wait for the pullback maybe in 1-day chart. I think, yeah. After for example, now in 1-day chart, we have this move, right? Testing the mid-55 to what? To keep falling, right? But here, no shorts, my friend, no shorts. At least not for me, right? Because I know in macro time frames, this area is a key area. So around $30. In my case, I will just wait for this thing waiting here. In the next buy signal here, I will just buy again, looking for potential consolidation and potential break to the upside, okay? That's the way I will trade this, okay? In 1-day chart and weekly chart, okay? Okay, so let's continue. The same guys, they are asking me about NVIDIA. 2 years ago, sometimes I do like this private technical analysis for some guys. They contact me and they ask me for a private technical analysis, and actually they asked me about NVIDIA 2 years ago. I said it's to the upside, right? In 2021, 2022, something like that. Yes, around here. It was around here. Yeah, in the bullish divergence. Since then, they are still holding. Congratulations, right? Congratulations. Now, you want to know what is next. I said in the last live stream, just hold and be happy. That's it. Be happy. Congratulations. Yeah. Seriously, there is no resistance. Why you are so concerned? Oh my God, it's gonna crash. No, there is no resistance. Where is the resistance? The resistance is in your imagination. Okay, there is no resistance. Yeah, there is an empty space. Of course, this is we will see a correction in some point, but it's gonna take all the year. Okay, so if I will be you, I will be just happy. Yeah, and that's it. Let me see, 3 months. 3 months. We have a better already. In some point, this thing is gonna we will have a correction, very nasty correction, but not now. No. Now, if, for example, if I am here, right, if I know this thing is actually pumping very hard, we will have in some point a better stability in weekly chart. My exit strategy, it will be very simple. In the next sell signal here in weekly chart, I will just maybe close 50% of my position. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, or I will just change the strategy and I will use a trailing stop. You can use, for example, ETR, for example, parabolic SAR. There are many ways to use trailing stop. For example, parabolic SAR, you can use it. And for example, this one, yeah, as long as your stop loss should be around here, around 500. So you just train your friend and just continue. And when one day in weekly chart, this thing breaks the dots here, yes, you can close your position. Okay. So I don't want to be rude, but don't ask me every day, please. In the next 2 months, please ask me. Sorry, I have to say it because, oh my God, sometimes it's so annoying. Okay. So congratulations, my friend. Congratulations, okay? I want a piña colada, please. Okay, good. Oh my God, what is this? Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still to the upside. And honestly, in the recap for Bitcoin, it's healthy. No shorts. Please don't open shorts. There is no evidence for a short position right now. Actually, all the year. Okay, don't open shorts right now. Okay, technically speaking, let me explain very well this. Following my system of trading in weekly chart, this should be sideways or downside. But because it's weekly chart, it's gonna take 3 or 4 months, right? So let me show you here. We have here sell signal here. We have sell signal here, sideways sell signal here, but the volume is very healthy. So what is this telling me? Well, even with this sell signal here, I know the volume is healthy. So if we see a pull, if we see a drop, it's gonna be just a buy because the volume is there. The volume is clear. Remember, market makers, they can manipulate the price, but it's very hard for them to manipulate the volume. That's why I use OBB, right? Because how many times curve, for example, curve was saying a sell, but the price was just bouncing or holding, is because the volume. And that's why Bitcoin was in sideways in 4-hour chart here. Let me show you here. In 4 hours, in 1 day chart here, sorry. Yes, in 1 day chart here, as you can see here, Bitcoin was holding the settle line here, testing the settle line here, but didn't break down the settle line. And also it's about the MA55 here. So that's why I was saying, okay, if we see the sell signal here in curve, and also rejection from the OBB, yes, it's to the downside. But in this case, as you can see here, well, it's to the upside. Yeah, I cannot be right all the time. Yeah, I take losses as well. In this case, as I said before, I am in long position at $42,300. In 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart setup, I protected my entry, and this is extra. Okay, this move is something I was expecting, but extra. I mean, like, the real buy signal was last week in 1 day chart here. Okay, here. Following my system of trading in 1 day chart, it was here. Okay, that's it. Now, what I am watching right now. First of all, weekend is coming. Remember, usually weekend is just sideways. So in weekly chart, I need to finish this explanation or repeat this explanation. Technically speaking, this is just a range where Bitcoin, the top of the range is gonna be around 49, and the bottom is around 39. Okay, so something like this, right? something like this, something like this. Now, invalidations, yes. If we see a close above 49, imagine we have this close this weekend, right? Something like this. Imagine this is the candle, right? Let me change the color here, and it's green, right? Imagine we have this close, right? This weekend. If we have this close above 49, even better, 50K, well, we will have a potential. I'm gonna play like I'm Nostradamus right here, but potentially if we see a pullback here, for example, something like this, is gonna be just a pullback. Why? Because the next one, technically speaking, is gonna be like this. Continuation to the upside, okay? Something like this where the target should be around 60K, okay? But we have to see confirmation first. We have to see the close of this one, this candle first. So this week, okay? This week. So if we have a new high this weekend, well, very good news. Yes, we will have 60K, even more if you want. But in some point, Bitcoin is gonna do something like this. Better than variance maybe this year. Well, the last time when we have this signal, what happened? Bitcoin was at 69 and crashed so hard. Let me show you here, right? We have a better variance here in 2021, new high here, and after that, 75%, no, 65% drop. So we just have to wait. It's healthy? Yes. Should I buy right now because Bitcoin will hit 100,000, 1 million? No. As I said before, if we have a pullback, right? Let me explain this one more time because sometimes I feel like I am not explaining it very well because after every live stream I get many messages, many messages in private message. Please, if you have a question, just could you just ask in the community, please? Because for me it's better because many people they are asking me exactly the same thing. Okay, is maybe you ask me about something and maybe someone else has the same question, we can, simplify the process, right? So the thing here is like, okay, so technically speaking, 49, 48 is the resistance. Yeah, this area is the resistance in macro time frames. That's why it's very important for Bitcoin closing above here. Yeah, if Bitcoin is rejected here, the next technical target in the long term is this area. Okay, it's around 30K. Yeah, and actually that is my target. The question is when? Is something I don't know. Okay, right now Bitcoin is bullish. Yes. Is it still good? Yes. Should I buy right now? No. Why? Because at least in my case is because I don't buy any altcoin, asset, stock, whatever after. When I see this, no, I buy when I see a correction, something like this. I buy when I see corrections, okay? That's it. This is very good for shorts, longs, futures, trading, right? Stop losses, yes. But I'm talking about holding. Because one of the questions I got yesterday is, should I buy Bitcoin? Should I buy right now? And maybe I cancel next year because the halving is coming, right? So the thing is like, I know you want to enter because you are feeling you are missing the move, right? All of us, I was there a long time ago. But let me remind you this. Bitcoin, yeah, the halving was around here. I can remember it was around here. And after Bitcoin just dropped like 50, 60%. So I am not saying that it's going to happen, but market makers is a conversation I had with one of my friends. It could be maybe we have another rally to maybe 49, 50K, yes. And after that, and as the pullback, yes. And you will see the news, the bear market, blah, 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 blah. No, it's not a bear market, okay? It's not a bear market. I am strongly, based on data probabilities, I really, really believe this year and part of the next year is going to be the bull market, okay? Okay, so... Okay, so the indicator, I'm having some issues with TradingView. They rejected my indicator 2 times because they told me is having some issues when is the back testing. I'm testing the back test, so I'm gonna keep fixing this indicator. And also I'm gonna add some more stuff here, more things here. But my plan was actually is still publishing all the indicators. I was planning to publish all of this week, but you know, sometimes TradingView is very, it's complicated sometimes publishing indicators there, because they are asking me, maybe you have to change this, you have to change that. Okay, so I think that's it, guys. That's it, guys, for today. Okay, so last request. Okay, welcome, Simon. Sure, let me check. ING. If it's green pumping right now, no, thank you. No, there is no buy. Yeah, like this, no. I mean, it depends, right? You didn't explain in weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart, buy in there, no. No thanks. Okay, no thanks. Now, fair enough, right now, there is no resistance. So the sky is the limit. So if you are asking me for weekly chart, it's because maybe you are here. If you are here, just protect your entry. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, right? But protect your entry and be happy, right? Because if we see, because there is no resistance, right? Even with the sell signal here, just consolidation and potential continuation, okay? If you want to buy this thing because you're in FOMO, terrible decision, at least in my case, right? So that's it. If you want to buy this, and not just only this asset, this altcoin, any asset, the rule is very simple. Just wait for the pullback. It depends on the time frame you're watching, right? In this case, it's weekly chart. Wait for the pullback, and after the pullback, continue the trend. Okay, the trend is your friend. That's it. It's the only way. So there is no way I can buy that thing here. No. For example, on other coin, like I forgot. Someone asked me about Solana again. Yeah, Solana. Yeah, it's looking green again. You see, it's looking like it's gonna. Maybe you're right. But even with that, I never buy Solana at $100. Never. But it's looking green. I don't care. I really don't care. The only way I can buy Solana is I see Solana dropping in weekly chart in this case, and after that, after I see this drop, 35%, 40% drop, after that, yes, continuation if you want. Someone even asked me about this, right? Like Celestia right now. Should I buy this thing? It was at $2. Are you kidding me? Seriously. It's a serious question. I realize, you know what? I will be honest with you guys. When I realize when we are entering a bull market, is because I have too many people asking me very, how can I say this? Simple questions, obvious questions, like they know the answer is no, right? So please be careful with your feeling. I need to buy this, I need to buy that because the airdrop. My God, it's always the same thing. When we are in a bull market, you have no idea what kind of questions I get every day. Oh my God. Okay, so let's continue. Yes, I mean, doesn't matter the altcoin is altcoin, stock, Bitcoin, whatever. In the long term, the only way I can buy is after a major correction, plus I have a buy signal. Okay, that's it. It's the only way. Okay, it's the only way. Okay, so let's continue. Yeah, okay, Volkswagen. It's my first time. It's my first time. I don't know. I'm curious. What is this? Weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. Downtrend. Okay, but let me see. It's testing the previous low. I mean, it's here. Let me see here. Ooh, this is very interesting. Technically speaking, there is not enough time to buy here in weekly chart and just follow the trend. And be careful. I am not saying short. Okay? No, I am not saying short because you are in the lowest point of this asset. Okay. The only thing I'm saying right now here is, based on the weekly chart, there is not enough time to see this asset breaking the M55. There is not enough time. Okay. Let me see the monthly here. The monthly. The monthly, there is a buy signal here, is still present. It's going to take all the year, potentially yes. So what I will do here is, if I have to trade this, I don't like this chart, but if I have to do it in weekly chart, the only way I can do it is, one moment, is waiting for the pullback, right? The first rule, waiting for the pullback, yes. After a couple months, I want to see the buy signal here forming. Second, also the last thing, I want to see this thing not making new lows, just waiting for, just in consolidation, okay? Consolidation here for long time. And after that, only after that, I will buy, okay? Okay, that was a very good joke, my friend, local guy. Very good joke. Are you serious? You tell me. You are here since I remember. Maybe you are watching my live streams like more than 1 year. You tell me, what do you see here? Please. I know you know the answer, right? Oh my god. Look at this. Sell signal in the monthly. Yes, to the moon. 1 million right now. You know, XRP is gonna replace Bitcoin right now. Right? So no. We have a buy a sell signal in the monthly. So the best scenario for XRP, technically speaking, right? I don't know the news, right? I don't watch the news. Is just to be in sideways all the year. Okay, very sad. Because we have a sell signal in the monthly, and also we have here in weekly chart. What you can say, okay, well, we will have a buy signal here, maybe in two, maybe in one or two. Yes. Volatility, I think, is good. Let me see. Yes, it's contracting here. So if you want to buy this thing, potentially in the next 2-3 weeks, you can buy around 50 cents and maybe 44. Looking for, if we see a rally, a pump, the maximum target is 85 cents. Yeah, but no more than that. Honestly, for me, there are many coins, so many altcoins right now, they are doing much better than this thing. Seriously, there are altcoins like they are doing much better than this thing. So that's why I don't have anything against XRP. Just I remember this thing since 2016. People they are keep saying, oh, you know what, XRP is gonna be blah blah blah. That never happened. So that's why I don't know. I have, for example, right now in my case, I like Cardano. Cardano is doing very well. It's doing very well. Yeah, if we see Cardano closing above 0.60 in a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, you will see Cardano at $1, $1.10. Yeah, I'm calling right now. If we see a close above 60 cents, maybe this weekend or maybe this month, you will see Cardano at $1. Yeah. That is the coin I want to buy. Of course, because I really follow my seasonal trading, right? I don't buy there. If I see Cardano there, well, I will miss it. I don't know. I don't care. Why? Because I cannot buy something like this with this signal here. But if you are here, right, at 25 cents, 30 cents, congratulations. Okay, guys, so let's continue. I think 1 hour. 1 hour. Perfect. So let's see a little bit more Bitcoin. What I can see for our chart is still good. No shorts. Don't open short, please. Don't do it. Okay, don't do it. Yeah, even in 1 hour chart, there is no better variance. Well, potentially yes in core, but volume is extremely healthy. I think, yes, there is a very good chance we could see 48, 49. I just protected my entry, and I will close my position around in the next 4-hour chart sell signal. In the next. Okay? So in the next sell signal in 4-hour chart, I'm planning, in my case, closing my position, okay? In 4-hour chart. And after that, I will just wait for the next close in weekly chart. Okay. I think okay, one more asset, and I think that's it for today, guys. Okay. CPR. What is CPR? CPR. Campari. What is Campari? 1 week and monthly. Okay. Looks like you're looking for long term, right? Long term. Okay, let me see here. Okay, in weekly chart, this thing is testing the support, right? The strongest support in the long term since 2018. Yes, no shorts, of course. We have a buy signal right now. We have the buy signal right now in weekly chart, right? Remember, this weekly chart is for the next 3-4 months, where the target should be the MI55 around 10-11, around here. Okay, now let's talk about the monthly. The monthly. The monthly is about to test. Let me see the settle line here. It says still okay. Technically speaking, the trend is your friend, and the trend is to where? Is to the upside. Okay. So the trend is your friend, and just pay attention here. Every time when this thing in 2014 tested the 55, buy. 2019, buy. And now it's again testing here, buy. And here, well, I think you know the song, right? Buy, right? I am not financial advisor, but there is a buy signal in weekly chart. So you have your entry there, okay? Good luck. Good luck. Okay, no, never. Ferrari, I'm curious. Ferrari. Okay, which one? I think it's this one, right? Okay, let's see. Race. Okay, race. I know. Oh, wow. It's the first time. Oh, my God. What the? Oh, wow. Awesome. It's the monthly is looking nice. In weekly chart, beautiful chart. Of course, I would never buy there, but the trend is your friend, and there is no resistance. So just go to 1-day chart, wait for the pullback. You see, for example here, rally, wait for the pullback, continuation, wait for the pullback, continuation, and just play the same song all time. As long as the trend is intact, the trend is your friend, right? So it's okay. Yeah. In my case, I am waiting. Well, I am long. Yes. When was the last time when I used my main account? My main account. I use my main account because I'm trading right now my small account. But I think last time when I used my main account was in December last year. Let me check, because usually yes, I trade Bitcoin. I was trading the stock market long time ago. Honestly, I'm thinking to trade again the stock market because it's easier than Bitcoin. Honestly, it's very easy. At least for me, right? It's easier and it's more peaceful because volatility is not very high. So you have to wait more time. So you have more time without watching the screen, right? So you don't have to watch the screen because Bitcoin is just moving very fast in a few days, right? So the last time when I used my, I remember. The last time when I used my main account was here at $26,700, and I closed at 31. Since then, I am not using right now. My main account is in. I don't use it. I don't use it because always I use my account for long-term trades. Okay, I think I answered all the questions. I got around 10, 15 today, so Coti, okay. My friends, I am more. I think I can remember the last time when I stayed more than 1 hour here. Usually just 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Coti, it's crypto, right? It's crypto. Okay, weekly chart. This is something interesting. This is forming a better divergence, as you can see here. That is something. This is good, actually. This is good. This is good. Of course, no buy there. There is no buy there. But this thing, actually, what I will do here is just I will go to 1-day chart, right? I will just wait for the pullback, and I will continue with the. I will continue just with the trend. Okay. There's no resistance. There is no power to make me buy in here. No thank you, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. But weekly chart is breaking the MI55 above the MI100. So you want to see something like this in 1-day chart. You want to see something like this, right? Something like this. And in 1-day chart, remember, in 1-day chart. And after that, continuation, okay? continuation. This is bullish. Actually, thank you for telling me. I'm gonna just check this altcoin because who knows? Who knows? Maybe I wanna buy. Maybe I will buy. Who knows? Maybe. Thank you. Well, I have a question for you guys. I am not familiar with many altcoins. This coin, someone is shilling all time to me. This coin, yeah, is I think it's what is the name of this coin? Raven coin. Do you know this coin? I know is something is very important in the ecosystem of Solana. I don't follow news. Someone asked me about this thing, okay? And I can tell you right now because I know you're watching here. Yeah, technically speaking, this thing here, this altcoin is testing the previous lows of 2020. So there is no short. Actually here is the area to buy, right? To buy. First of all, is to buy. Second, volume is increasing. It is positive. So someone is actually buying here, okay? And also, weekly chart is a signal, yes, but it's not very strong. Why? Because it's testing the previous support. I mean, it's testing major support. So I can tell you right now, not now, but if this coin continues doing the same thing in the next maybe 2-3 months, something like that, following the bull market, this is gonna be like this, okay? Like this. I am not a financial advisor, but this is the kind of coin I like to see. I mean, like this kind of altcoin. And I was searching a little bit about this. Now I'm searching on internet. It looks like it's what is it? Pool. I don't know. It's like a swap, something like that. It's very important in Solana ecosystem, something like that. Okay. Okay. Let me see. I think that's it for today, guys. Okay. Please, one more time. Don't, at least in my case, I am not short in Bitcoin. Okay. I need to repeat this again and again and again. I am not short in Bitcoin. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. One more coin. Okay. Here DR. You are suggesting this altcoin, but if I see just a parabolic move like shitcoin, no thank you. I wanna see something like, the previous coin I saw. Like there is actually it's in the floor, right? Something like that. I wanna see something like that. Okay. Let me see. No, thank you. No. Okay. Better divergence in weekly chart. No way. I'm not saying it's shitcoin. I respect. Maybe it could be the next Bitcoin, whatever. But I have a system of trading and I follow my system of trading. So from here and here, there is a better variance in weekly chart. No, thank you. No. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Guys, and have a good day. Have a good weekend. And let's see what is going to happen with Bitcoin. Remember, recap, if Bitcoin close above this weekend. Oh my God. Sorry. What happened? This? Yeah, sorry. Okay. If we can close about $49,000 this weekend, close about there, we could see 60K very soon. Okay. But in this case, I want to see confirmation first. Okay. I need to see Bitcoin closing about there this weekend. If I see a rejection actually from 48, 49, because actually it's something I am expecting. It's just sideways in the next 2-3 months. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good weekend and see you next week.